Hello everyone. So just as you read from the title, if your hotspot isn't activated on your iPhone, you can see it is blurred now, meaning I can't turn it on. This is a quick fix. Okay, so you're going to head to your settings app. You're going to head to mobile devices. Okay, yes, and from the network that you're using for your mobile device, for your mobile data, you're going to click on it. I'm using the business line right now, and you're going to head to the mobile data network. Okay, so from here you're going to scroll all the way to Personal Hotspot. Okay, and you're going to input internet for your APN, and for your username you can just input something. I'm just going to input iPhone 12345. You just need to put in something there. Okay, and from here your mobile hotspot is supposed to be activated. Just swipe back and you can see you can turn it off and on now. Move to the control center and you can see you can turn it on from here now. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe.